Natural gas is delivered to customers at high pressure, making the gas service regulator a critical safety component in the delivery network. This device safeguards customers and their premises by controlling the immense energy that could flow through the service line. However, these regulators, installed above ground, are highly vulnerable to numerous hazards, especially fire. Constructed primarily of aluminum, plastic, and rubber, gas regulators and meters fail under the heat of a fire. When they fail, they release high-pressure gas, fueling dangerous fires. The Fire Solutions Group, LLC, recently conducted live testing of gas meter sets in simulated structure fire conditions at the York County Fire Academy in Pennsylvania. The results were telling. In every test, the regulator and meter failed, releasing high volumes of gas at significant velocity. As shown, these gas-fed fires are powerful and highly dangerous for responders. The shutoff valve, often located at the gas riser near the meter, becomes inaccessible during a fire. Consequently, the fire continues to burn until the utility company intervenes, which could take well over an hour. The solution: the TECO FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoffs, TAS. FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoffs are essential safety devices used globally in fuel systems, designed to automatically close during high-temperature events. The thermally activated shutoff device prevents gas from venting into fires by shutting off the supply before regulator failure occurs. Installed upstream of the gas regulator, the FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoff provides a reliable means to protect property and public safety while creating a safer environment for emergency personnel to manage fires and evacuations. The FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoff device utilizes a fusible metal alloy, spring, and plug mechanism. When exposed to fire, the fusible alloy triggers the plug, forming a gas-tight seal. This simple maintenance-free solution requires no power, actuators, or external heat detectors, relying solely on heat exposure to activate. Once triggered, the FireBag TAS remains closed, requiring replacement before the gas supply can resume. FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoffs are suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. Whether for single or multiple meter setups, it is most effective when installed upstream of the regulator or indoors just inside the building wall, protecting regulators and meter sets. The simple installation of a FireBag TAS can prevent costly, hazardous situations. While we cannot control when a fire might occur, we can control its impact. A FireBag Thermally Activated Shutoff device ensures that escaping gas does not intensify the fire.